Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Team 2 and we want to presentation about recycling of paper and plastic.
Before we start our presentations, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Zahra Alia Kenza with my name 041,
I'm Lailatul Istiqomah with the last name 004.
and we should start our presentations. Stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, we can see from the data collected by IndonesiaAsri.com, waste is the one of the biggest problem in our country at the moment. The large amount of waste causes unwanted impact. Therefore, proper management and utilization are needed to reduce the impact of waste.
Organic chemistry has several principles. One of them is waste prevention. Plastic is one of many types of waste that adheres to decompose. Prioritize prevention of waste rather than cleaning up and treating waste after it has been created. Plan ahead to minimize waste at every step.
Recycling is process of converting waste into new product. If you know 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling is one for the three ways to protect our environment. And of course, it had many benefits, and you can see in our PPT or PowerPoint, but for the environment and the economy. Recycled can generate self-value, which will greatly help to boost the economy. And of course, the main benefit of recycling is our environment, which will become more healthier with less waste and greater aesthetic value.
The stage of recycling waste into new product generally include: first is collection. Recyclable waste such as plastic, paper, metal, and glass is collected from its source for household or industry. Second is sorting. Waste is separated based on material type. Third is washing. Waste is cleaned out of dirt and food residue. Fourth is pre-processing. Materials are processed into smaller cells, such as being crushed into small pieces. Fifth is melting or compounding. Plastic shards are melted and molded into pellets, while paper is mixed with water and other material to form paper pulp. Last is manufacturing. Finished raw materials such as plastic pellets, paper pulp, and molten metal are used to make new products such as bottle, new paper, or handicraft.
Well, as you can see, these are some examples of very useful recycled product from reusable paper, shopping bags, and eco-brick that you can use to build a house or other buildings.
Sad news has come from Sumatra, where several areas have been hit by floods that have caused many casualties. Many photos of destroyed residential areas have been circulating. So, what is the cause? Is it really just high rainfall as reported in the news? We share in your grief. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the solution to this problem does not have to be big. Starting with the smallest thing, such as disposing of trash in its proper place, are a effort we can make to prevent disaster. The logs that we found are one of the raw materials for paper that we use very often. The paper that we have used can be recycled into new paper that we can use again as a small effort to protect nature. Small steps we take, such as recycling tests, will reduce unnecessary waste. From that small step, we can avoid disaster caused by.
From recycling education, we still encounter problems from the community, such as social and educational. Lack of knowledge and educations about the impact of waste, resulting in low public awareness of public waste management. Second one is failure to sort waste sources. The community generally still dispose of waste without separating it by type. Second one is technical and infrastructure challenge. Conventional systems waste management still use a system of collections, transport, or disposals. Second one is complexity of waste and stream. It's the most common method for dealing with challenge in processing waste stream. Last is financial. Low-value materials, collectors and waste pickers are often reluctant to collect certain types of plastic, choosing only those that they consider to be of sufficiently high value. Second one, resources are not yet optimal. The management of waste bank is often not yet optimal. Recycling is a way of turning unused waste into new useful items, making our planet cleaner and healthier. By sorting waste, we help conserve natural resources. So that's all from our presentations. Hope you guys can implement recycling of paper and plastic. Sorry if you had any mistaken, and
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.